Yeah,
Recording the sewer line here at 3918 Meridian Avenue North. Dates April 21st, 2020. Recording this from the newly installed Bob Oates cleanout here on the north side of the home. We are looking right now at the Seattle City main. So this is out on Meridian. We're going to pull back from the Meridian main line there, coming back towards the house here, showing our liner. There's our Bob Oates liner within just a couple inches of the main, just like it's supposed to be. So this is a 6-inch Bob Oates installed liner, new flow. Gorgeous liner. So coming back now into our plastic repair, you'll see right there, there's a transition from the liner back into our plastic 4x6 repair here. There's the 6-inch line coming back now into the 4-inch line and coming back up out of the cleanout. Recorded the line from right here at the cleanout on the north side of the home. There's a little picture of the 6-inch cleanout on the neighboring property. And there's the full repair. Ending the video there.